Signal at me when you get the gas.
This should be easy. You just need to grab some diesel.
You want to hear a prediction? Nope.
No.
There's not going to be any gas. Watch.
Ryan.
Next gas, 2 miles. Oh, well, shit.
Look for landmarks. It might be dark on our way back. Got it.
Jesus.
Reloading! Reloading!
Do that playground.
Reloading. Reloading. I got these pills.
Shot.
Look out!
Reload. Reloading.
We can cut through this garage sale.
Reloading!
I'm reloading.
I know one thing. I'm grabbing you.
Reloading.
Charger!
Heads up. Reloading. I'm gonna reload.
There's a safe room up.
Reloading. Reload. Everybody inside. Reloading.
All right, this party is over.